What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're doing a goose call review on it's the cupped waterfowl SGR, I think, hammer call. It's my third call I've ever bought, and it sounds decent. I mean, it's like $50. This is the Tim Grounds Super Pro, well, the Pro Super Mag. I mean, it compares, but it's not a terrible call. I'm gonna run it this season, see how I feel about it. But yeah, overall, pretty decent call. I like the color too.